Today I am reviewing Mantis V2 Gaming Desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Mantis V2 Gaming Desktop PC by Computer Upgrade King is a powerhouse built for gamers, streamers, and content creators who demand nothing less than elite performance. This is not just another pre-built desktop. It's a performance-driven, water-cooled monster that blends top-tier specs, clean design, and US-assembled reliability into one incredible package. At its heart lies the Intel Core i9-14900KF, a 24-core, 32-thread processor that pushes performance boundaries to new heights. With a base clock of 2.4 GHz and boost speeds that reach up to a staggering 6 GHz, this CPU is engineered to deliver unmatched power for both gaming and productivity. Whether you're rendering 4K video, compiling massive projects, or streaming while gaming at ultra settings, this processor doesn't even break a sweat. It's one of Intel's most advanced chips, built to give creators and gamers a fluid, stutter-free experience, and it absolutely delivers. Complementing this CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, featuring 16 GB of next-generation GDDR5 memory. The RTX 5080 isn't just fast, it's revolutionary. It brings the newest Ada Lovelace architecture, delivering lightning-fast ray tracing, AI-powered frame generation, and deep learning super sampling for breathtaking realism. Whether you're exploring vast open-world titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield, or competitive esports games like Apex Legends, Call of Duty, or Fortnite, this card pushes triple-digit frame rates at 1080p and 1440p ultra settings effortlessly. It's also fully VR-ready, making it a great choice for immersive virtual reality experiences. But raw performance means little without speed to match, and the Mantis V2 delivers that in every department. It comes equipped with an enormous 96 GB of DDR5 memory, clocked at 4,800 MHz. That's far beyond what most users will ever need. This massive RAM capacity ensures multitasking is buttery smooth, whether you're gaming, live streaming, editing 8K footage, or running multiple applications simultaneously. Storage is equally impressive. You get a 4TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe M.2 SSD, which provides insanely fast boot times and data transfers up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. Games load almost instantly, large files open in seconds, and Windows feels incredibly snappy. With 4 TB of storage, you'll have plenty of room for all your favorite games, creative projects, and media without ever worrying about running out of space. Thermals are handled beautifully, thanks to its water-cooled CPU and 6 ARGB PWM fans that maintain efficient airflow and dynamic speed control. Even under heavy gaming or rendering loads, the Mantis V2 stays cool and quiet, ensuring consistent performance. The case itself is visually striking. It features the Mantis Tower, with brushed aluminum front panels, customizable front panel LEDs, and a tempered glass side panel that shows off the internal RGB lighting in all its glory. It's the kind of setup that looks just as good as it performs. The Mantis V2 also prioritizes reliability and ease of use. It runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you access to advanced productivity tools and improved performance optimization. Unlike many pre-builts, this system comes completely bloatware-free, ensuring that every ounce of system power is dedicated to your tasks and games, not background junk. Connectivity is also future-ready. You get Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5 support for ultra-stable, high-speed wireless connections, as well as multiple USB ports, including USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort for your monitors and peripherals. It even comes with a rainbow backlit USB keyboard and LED mouse, so you can plug in and start gaming right out of the box. Every Mantis desktop is assembled and stress-tested in the USA, and that's a big deal. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing before shipping to ensure long-term reliability and performance. Computer Upgrade King backs this system with a 3-year limited hardware warranty and lifetime technical and diagnostic support, giving buyers peace of mind that their investment is protected. In terms of real-world experience, the Mantis V2 truly shines. Games like Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3, Cyberpunk 2077, and Red Dead Redemption 2 can all hit well over 100 frames per second on ultra settings. Creators can edit high-resolution video or render 3D animations without slowdown, thanks to the high-speed CPU and massive RAM. And thanks to its quiet cooling and elegant RGB design, it fits beautifully into any gaming setup or workstation environment. To sum it up, the Mantis V2 gaming desktop PC is a future-proof, no-compromise machine designed for those who want it all. You're getting the latest Intel Core i9-14900KF, the incredibly powerful NVIDIA RTX 5080, 96GB of DDR5 RAM, and a lightning-fast 4TB Gen 4 SSD, all inside a beautifully engineered case with water cooling and vibrant RGB aesthetics.